To punish him, the girl and her mother came up with a plan.
Shawarma.
The father up and handed him a cup of leftover soup.
Shawarma.
Over and asked if father would relax, but he only wanted to sleep and refused.
Horror, horror.
Took off a price tag in front of him and then went out. After the father fell asleep, this had happened before. He thought for a long time and came up with an idea. He put the TV remote in his pocket and fell asleep again.
Alam ko yung number niyan para matawag yung shop. 55145. Tama. Tama. Tana nyo. Naglaro na ako na ito eh. Bahan ko dito. 55145. Ganyan nyo. Wait lang. Ang tagal na yung internet. Huwag na nga lang to. Ito na nga lang. Uy! 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 Ito na lang. Si Kumbat na nere. Ay, Kumbat! Basta. Uy, wag ka maano. Tagal naman ng internet. Gacha live 2. May gacha live ako. May gacha live rin ako na 2. Clue. Yan ang ginawa ko. Yung Ojicat girl. Lunis na naman.
The boy suddenly moved closer to me. Panicking, I yelled at him. I quickly stepped back to keep my distance. I thought I would never have anything to do with him again, but I didn't expect that we would meet again. After transferring to... Hindi ka ba nahihiya ang daming tao? Hindi. Like...
Have you ever seen a girl this lucky? Whenever she steps outside, stormy weather suddenly turns into bright sunshine. If she ever feels like jumping into a puddle on the street, a flying newspaper lands perfectly under her feet. She's so lucky that when she simply walks past a lottery machine, someone ends up winning a huge prize. Flowers by the roadside bloom the moment they see her, and little birds bring her garlands made of flowers. But on the other hand, there's a boy who is extremely unlucky. Whenever he goes outside, the weather turns stormy. He has to go back home to grab an umbrella, and the moment he steps out again, the weather becomes sunny. Even mirrors crack the instant they come in front of him. Still, fate had decided that this lucky girl and unlucky boy would meet. The moment the boy sees her, he falls in love at first sight. But he's afraid that his bad luck might harm her, so he quietly walks away. Just then, the girl notices a small scratch on her hand. She has never seen anything like it before and is very surprised. At that same moment, the boy accidentally steps on a newspaper lying on the ground and falls into a cart. The cart suddenly starts rolling fast toward the girl. She also falls into the cart and it begins speeding down the road. To save her, the boy puts himself in front of her, but his bad luck strikes again. There's a car accident cannon ahead. The girl quickly covers him, and in the next moment, a car hood flies off. Thanks to the girl's good luck, both of them pass safely over the accident, but as soon as one danger ends, another begins. Inside a tunnel, there's a line of fast-moving cars. The girl quickly ducks, and their cart passes through without crashing. Then they spin through the air and come out of the tunnel. They reach Piano Street, where, because of the boys' bad luck, heavy sack-like objects start falling from the sky. They're about to fall on them when the girl quickly grabs the boy's hand, and his hand lands on a piano. Beautiful melodies start playing with their every step. Then they jump into a small vehicle speeding along a rough road. The girl is happily enjoying the ride, but suddenly there's a sharp turn, and the vehicle heads straight toward the sea. The girl looks at the boy in fear. He tries to do something and suddenly spots his umbrella. He quickly opens it, but the wind blows it away. He reaches out his hand toward the girl. She pauses for a moment. Have you ever seen a girl this lucky?
How to enjoy a sunset. I heard this thing can filter stuff. It can make big stuff even bigger. I'm gonna test it out today. First up, let's try clear slime. I'm curious what's left after filtering the slime. Then I thought of body wash. I can't picture it at all. What texture it'll turn into after filtering. Next, let's try toothpaste. Let's refine the toothpaste. Brushing will feel so fancy now. What about ketchup? It's super thick right now, but that won't last. I'm not done yet. Let's try some yogurt. I heard it turns into Greek yogurt after filtering. I'm really hyped for this. And liquid marshmallow fluff. Curious what happens. Will it turn into solid marshmallow? Now let's try canned peaches. Think after filtering. Will it turn into dried peaches? And grape jello. Think after filtering. What texture it'll end up with? The star item? Coffee drink. This needs 3 extra coffee filters to filter. Last one. Strawberry frozen milk pop. Hoping to get super smooth and cream. Let it filter overnight. I'll check the results tomorrow. I heard this thing can filter stuff. It can make big stuff even bigger. I've got to test it out today. First up, let's try clear slime. I'm curious what's left after filtering the slime. Then I thought of body wash. I can't.
You're supposed to rub the lamb on your knee.
I have 3 wishes, right?
Yeah, make them quick.
For my first wish, I wish to be the most attractive man in existence.
I'm afraid that's not true.
Why?
I grant wishes. Not here.
I wish for everyone in the world to go blind immediately. They each have to pay $100 to see, and if they want, they will add an extra $10 to see color.
You want to watch this?
You know what? For a genie, you're really useless. You can't even be used as a bad example. If stupidity burned calories, you'd be a supermodel. That evolution sometimes goes in reverse.
Kasi lalaki yan sa kanal, madumi ang host na yan.
Freedom.
Kanal madumi.
I don't get it.
Exactly.
Kapag mo to, gusto mo? Okay? Hindi, ano
You
pero?
rub the lamb on your knee.
Hindi daw, oh. Sinungaling. Ikaw pala ikan eh. Ikaw daw pala eh. Oh, ikaw.
Napanood ko yung video ni Precious. View. From
Watch your water, Matt.
and from I don't head from
I'm as good at goodbye.
Baseman. Dapat pangalan nito. Save. Yun eh, pangalan niya. Bye-bye.